Google Classroom integrate Google Forms to gather data, such as registration, survey, and quiz. And in this video, we will look at how to access Google Forms in different ways. In Classwork tab, you can access Google Forms by creating assignment with quiz. As you can see, there is automatically created forms below. By clicking the forms, Google Forms will open in a new window. To edit this form, click the pencil icon below, and now you can edit the form. Another option is to edit existing assignment. Then click Create button and choose Forms. This will create Google Forms attachment. Click the forms and a new window will pop up to edit the forms. Let us back to our class. Another way to access Google Forms is by clicking this 3x3 box and choose Drive. Then in Google Drive, click New, then More, click Google Forms and choose Blank Form. Google Forms will open in the new window where you can set a file name, and title your forms. In the next video, we will take a look how to customize Google Form themes.